Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to use virtual desks on your Lenovo IdeaPad Slim 3 Chromebook. To do this, we're gonna have to open the Resense view by clicking the Resense button on our keyboard. At the top of your screen, you will see Desk 1, which is your main desktop. If you want to add an additional virtual desktop, click the plus right here and let's name it virtual desktop. We don't have to, but just not to get lost, let's rename it. Okay, now we can add a third one. Let's call it VD2 and then VD3. And now by pressing Resense button, we'll be able to switch between each of the virtual desktops. And we can also swipe 4 fingers on our touchpad to quickly switch between them. This way you can open a separate window in each of them, for example, and easily switch between windows on your laptop. If you want to close a virtual desktop, navigate to it, so hover it over with your mouse and click close. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.